Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up on Shopify. First, navigate to the Shopify website and begin your free trial. You will need to enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. This initial step takes only a few minutes. Next, provide some basic information about your business, such as your industry and whether you are already selling products. Finally, select a subscription plan that aligns with your budget and features required, starting from around $29 per month. Once your account is ready, it's time to populate your store with products. Upload clear, high-resolution images and write compelling descriptions for each item. Group similar products into collections to enhance the shopping experience. Then, personalize your store's appearance by selecting a theme from Shopify's extensive library. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to reflect your brand. Remember, a well-designed store can significantly boost customer engagement and sales. Now, let's talk about getting paid and delivering products. Set up your shipping rates, considering different zones and carriers. Shopify offers various options, including flat rates, weight-based rates, and calculated rates. Next, integrate payment gateways like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or Stripe to securely process customer transactions. Don't forget to configure your tax settings based on your business location. A seamless checkout experience is crucial for converting visitors into loyal customers. Before launching, conduct thorough tests of your entire store, from product pages to the checkout process, to ensure everything functions perfectly. Once you are confident, it's time to go live. Start promoting your store through various channels, such as social media campaigns, email newsletters, and search engine optimization. Shopify provides numerous marketing tools and apps to help you reach a wider audience. Continuously monitor your store's performance and make data-driven adjustments for ongoing success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.